What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to withdraw Solana from Trojan Bot. Now to do this, the process is very simple, quick and easy, just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. First hit the start button, and once you do this, now here it will show you your current balance. For example, here I have some Solana, so I want to withdraw it. I'll go and click on this withdraw button. All you guys need to do is now select network. I'll select Solana here, click on Sol, and once you do it, it will show you these presets amount. After that, we will set up our withdrawal address. For that, we'll head over to our Phantom wallet, which is on my Google Chrome. Now from here, I will select receive on Phantom wallet, and in receive I will select Solana and copy the link, copy the address, and I'll come back here and paste the address here. Simply paste the address, and now my withdrawal address is accepted by the bot. Now here we will type in the amount that we want to send. We can also select these presets, 100%, 50%, whatever amount that you want to withdraw, and simply click on withdraw button. After that, after a few seconds, your transaction would be successful, and that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. Do consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.